Hey everyone, Tesla Tom, thanks for joining us on Ludicrous Feed, and this is software update version 2020.12.5, the latest update to our Tesla Model 3 here in Australia. There are 4 really cool things I want to show you in this update. Of course, everyone's looking at the new dashcam viewer, which I'll get to very shortly, but the first 3 things, very minor things, are driving visualization, and that's where you can see stop signs and things like that, which is available in the US. Unfortunately not available just here in Australia yet, as you can see in this picture. It's grayed out. Hopefully it'll be available very soon. The next one is supercharger stalls, so you can now quickly look at the map to see how many stalls are available to use for each supercharger location. The third thing I want to tell you about is the Sentry mode icon. So that has changed up here in the dash, and also when Sentry mode is activated on the screen, it has changed from the old HAL 9000 icon, which was that big red dot, now to a special Tesla designed icon. I believe there was some copyright issues with MGM and HAL 9000, so whatever it is, it's now a new icon. Also, when there's a Sentry mode event, you can actually press that straight away and you can access the new dash cam viewer, which I will segue into very shortly. And to do that, you want to press the camera icon there, and now you can press save footage when you see something happen, or you can launch the viewer. Let's do that right now. So this is the dash cam browser. As you can see now, you don't have to take out the USB key, and you can browse all the events here live on the screen, which is pretty cool. In the past, you had to take out the USB key or your SSD and view it on the computer, or I guess if you had a third-party app on your phone, you could access it there. But this is all in-house, all in Tesla's infrastructure. So what's cool with the new dashcam viewer is that all the new locations after the software update are now geotagged. So this is the first Sentry event I recorded for this video, so which is very good indeed. Okay, so let's have a look at one of the files now. So you can see that you can quickly access the footage from all 4 cameras here, the front, the rear, the right, and the left. This is the left video currently. This is the right camera, and that's the rear camera, and this is the front camera. So all very easily accessible. It's a very simple program, but it works so well. You can scrub as well down the bottom to get to the point where you want. You can also delete the file as well. So yeah, very handy. You can scroll through all your files that you've kept on your disk. And this is great because you can easily access all your files without having to go to your computer to go through them all. Alright guys, well that is software update version 2020.12.5 with the new dashcam viewer. As you can see, that's it'll come back to red very shortly if you go back to the normal screen. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you get your updates very soon. Take care of yourselves, and don't forget, you'll never charge alone. Stay safe.